Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD Bank app times out while logging in, it usually means the app cannot complete the sign in process. So here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection and then make sure it's stable. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe the TD Bank away and then reopen it after a few minutes. After that, go ahead and disable any VPN or proxy if you are using them on your phone. After that, go ahead and restart your phone and attempt to log in one more time. If the issue continues, wait a few minutes before trying again during lower traffic times. After fixing these issues, login should complete without timing out, and that's it. Subscribe for more.